Now we are talking about a special, common, simple thing. So this is useful when you go for any automations. This is the first thing need to be know. JavaScript object notation, JSON object. So JSON, what, how, where we are using all those things we are just exploring in this session. So JSON is part that is from the JavaScript. So we try to understand what is JSON first, and then we understand where it is useful, and then we try to explore some more hands-on experiments on the JSON. Okay, so it is a simple format actually. So when you run a Kubernetes command, kubectl is a command when you try to connect to the Kubernetes engine platform. When you work with the AWS CLI command always interact with the AWS web services, means REST API. So APIs can connect the connection with the HTTPS. We are going to work with the internet. Then the communication part will be using the data, and the data transfer is very easy to understand from one language to another one. So the common language, common object date notation is agreed with this JavaScript object notation. Even though you are running a C# project or ASP.NET or Microsoft projects or Java projects or Python projects, any web application, you can use JSON object as a data transfer objects. So what you have in the JSON is it is a key and value pairs. So whatever you store in the JSON, what you're getting as an output, that is a key value pairs. So when we are going to use this Java-based structure, JavaScript, it is from JS. So JavaScript object notation, JS first letters that is coming from the same so subset of the JavaScript. But it is working without bounding to any language. It is going to work with almost all latest languages, which every language is also having some standards. Here we have ECMA 262 is a standard, third edition, that was described about how a language can be built. So the Python, or if you take any latest programming language, Go language, if you look at the Kubernetes or Docker, they are all built with that Go language. So that is where this JSON structure comes up, and all communications in the Kubernetes and Docker engine, they are all working with the REST API. So it is easy to work with the HTTP based protocol and transferring the data lightweight. So major advantage which we are going to get from this JSON is lightweight. It is going to interchangeable. You can use any language at source side, any language at the destination side. And most of our command lines, CLIs, kubectl, Docker command, or AWS CLI, aged, um, Ansible, all these languages are using data transfer format as a JSON. So it is easy to implement, easy to write, and very, very common usage is whenever you want to work with the REST API, the data will be used as a JSON. And the second thing is when you want to configure something, you want to set up something, you want to build one simple container, that is also configuration. So what you want? So you want image nginx. So image colon nginx. This is a simple format, key value. So configurations you can build. You can make a lot of key value pairs, the combinations to use transfer the data. That's the overall idea about what is JSON. Okay, so where we are using this JSON, as I told you, so any cloud CLI, any cloud CLI means AWS CLI, where the command will be AWS. And if you work with the Ansible, every command interpretation which you are going to run a playbook, The output is Ansible output, what you're going to get, that is a JSON format. Docker, when you inspect, you will get entire output key value pairs. That is Docker command execution. Inspect command gives you the JSON output. Kubernetes, kubectl command or etcetctl and it's a utility or something, whatever you are using, kubeadm, all these are uses for communication JSON format, JSON data. Okay, so what kind of types, any programming language if you are learning, then this is also kind of programming. So JSON is a type of storing the data, what you are going to store. So if you are going to store the data, it could be primarily three types: string, number, boolean. So strings can be enclosed with the double quotes. The numbers which are not going to have any double quotes without enclosing. So number can be normal integer values or float values, or it can be scientific numbers. Boolean values, true or false, any single value you can use. Null, you can use null word or you can use blank in double quotes. Anything is fine. So these are the basic types. Using these basic types, we can construct a object, JSON object. Okay, so JSON object can be enclosed within the flower brackets. Beginning and ending curly braces, if you are using, that is a object. Array. So array general format in any programming language, that is square brackets. Here also it uses the same. You can have a numeric array or you can have a string array. You can have the combination of these, that is fine. So you can also have the array of objects and objects with arrays. The combinations can be more as complex as you can build. All our Kubernetes objects are going to have the construct with the objects and arrays. If you don't have any name, that is the first element, that is a root element, and that will be, if you want to use a query, you want to get the output of that, then you're going to use that JSONPath or jQuery or JQ command. Then you're going to use the dollar symbol for representing the root element. Okay, so that's about data types. And once you know the data types, how to use that in a JSON format, you are going to build a JSON or you are going to read the JSON, then you should know aware of that, what is the syntax. So key value pairs, if you are going to use key and value, you can enclose within double quotes and separated with a semicolon. This is the first syntax we need to know. Second one is the data separation. One element is there, after that another element. Let's say platform is Kubernetes, then version you want to give, then comma should be separated. These are all the elements present in one particular array, or it can be a object. Curly braces to hold JSON objects. This is a metadata, just we have seen a couple of times in the Kubernetes commands. When you run the output, when you get the -o JSON, you can get this one. Square brackets, the container. If you are going to have multiple containers, then you can have in the square brackets, first element, comma, second element. So comma is separating multiple elements, right? So these are the basic syntax rules to understand. And when you are accessing these elements, how we can access. So there are different tools you can install in your systems. In Windows, jQuery is not readily available. You need to install. For that, I have created a separate video on my channel. It is available, JQ or jQuery. JSONPath, which we are going to use in the Kubernetes. So that can be represented here. So you can see the root element, the dollar, and dot, then property, whatever the property you can take from the JSON object. So elements can be anything. You can have multiple properties. One particular property you want to pick up, you can pick. And one particular array element, you want to get that nth element. You may have 10 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you want to get 3, then you can get that using the number index, what you are going to use. So you can also use multiple indexes within that. And you can also give from third to four or three, four, five, four elements you want to get, then you can use a colon to retrieve. And you want to give from the so and so number. Let's say you are given the three colon, then from third element to till end of the array. So this syntax is similar to Python strings or list elements, how we are going to represent. So there is a huge set of uh, these representations or querying of your JSON. So the expressions are given in a separate tables. So we can see that in the um, just a moment. Yep. Here we have a table. So we can see here the expressions, descriptions, and there are a lot of other options which we can use. So this is for filtering purpose we are going to use. So filtering is another section where you can use. So uh, both the things, expressions and filterings are useful when you're working with the jQuery or JSON path. So JSON path we are using commonly in our Kubernetes. All right. Okay, that's about the theory part. Hope you understood, and you can go through this. I'm sharing this link on the chat, Zoom chat. And yeah, so can you, one of you can share your screen so that you can work on some practical expressions or creating the JSON and work with the JSON. Are you with me? Dilip,
Yeah, yeah, Pawan.
okay. So Vimlan making you as a presenter. You are on laptop, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Man.
Yep. So here you go. You are the presenter. You share your screen.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Some hints
Okay.
or a cheat sheet to look into the JQ. And first we work on JSON and then we'll go for JQ. Any Linux machine in latest versions, we are having the JQs and the JQ commands. We can test, express. This is a cheat sheet link. Okay. So two things you can do on your system. First, you can open Killer Coda. That's good. Create one object that what you can make. Container you can create from the Nginx. Run a Nginx container.
Yeah, I think I lost it. Okay. Here it is.
Okay. So you have Notepad++. In the meantime, we can
Yes.
also first look into the JSON and then we'll go back to the paths and JSON querying part. So two parts. One is creation of JSON. Second one is querying of the JSON. So in the Notepad++, let's try to open begin a flower bracket and then, okay, still need to load Notepad++.
Yeah.
Any other tool? Okay, we'll try on the browser itself then.
This is literally killing me. Oh
Okay,
my God.
all right, okay. Go to browser then, alternatively. Even that is not coming. Okay, yeah, there's login. And just load the playground. Kubernetes. I'll be back with the water. Then we can switch to Dilip. Dilip, are you comfortable?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so you can switch. Remote.
Yeah.
Okay, you are there in the browser.
Yeah. Do you want me to switch or do you want me to give it a try?
Give it a try. Just type uh, JQ, enter, hit enter.
JQ is there. Yeah, okay.
So that is giving some sample example in the bottom. You can see. So echo command, it is there, right?
Yeah. So should I
Example
JQ
one,
and
you
then
can just
also?
copy that echo command. You can try. Yeah, just up to the dot in the line. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So echo.
that's it. So
Okay.
that's actually representing the format actually, and the colors and everything will be automatically comes, and you can see that format. So if you add one more element, let's say we'll try to build one simple users list. Okay, so within the echo, you can write a user. Um, are you following? In place of who, you can
Yeah.
give
Yeah.
users colon, or we can go to a VI editor. That is also fine. You can write everything into
Yeah.
a VI.
Okay. VI JQ.
Users.json,
Mhm.
users.json. Uh, There you can
Okay.
start and end with a curly braces. Yep. And within the curly braces, um, you can give a string. Within double quotes, you can give the users, then colon.
It's not mandatory to be on caps, right?
Anything is string, fine. You can give anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. After that colon, then we want to give multiple user. So you can start a square bracket there. That is array,
Oh, okay.
array of users. You can hit enter. Don't write everything in single line.
Okay. So this.
Enter. Hit enter there.
Okay.
And now, yeah, open curly braces should have ending curly braces. That is the beginning of that, right? Square brackets for listing of users. And in the list, you are going to have, yeah, so just within the curly braces, go left. Yeah. There, start a square bracket, open and close square bracket. Within that square brackets, you can add elements. Is it
Uh,
very difficult?
Actually,
Okay.
no. It is actually my upper arrow. I'm not sure whether it is not happening in this here or it is not working on my laptop. I don't know actually. I can
Okay.
move anywhere, but upper arrow it is not allowing
Hmm.
me to move.
Okay, leave
That's
it.
the
Then
problem.
we'll work with Dilip. Dilip, Dilip, hello.
Yes, yes. Yes, I can't able to check.
Yeah. So now you are the host. Please share your screen and let's create one small users list in JSON. You can create it on your Notepad++ or on your Visual Studio Code, any editor which you have already. Just go there and you
Yes,
can type, start typing, and
yes.
new Visual Studio Code. You don't have. Okay, fine. So
That's
let's
also I'm
begin.
having.
No, no problem. So in the Notepad++, it is already there. Okay.
Oh,
Hmm. Okay, so let's begin. Build one small JSON file. New. Okay. You can select the language, right? Select the language, JSON. Okay, it's gone. You have to give. You are in the editor. You typed it JSON in the editor. Create new file, JSON file. Okay.
As a new file.
Why you are confusing the lib? Just make one small file and don't worry about that language. Okay. So
Okay.
new file JSON. Select that one.
Okay.
Now type the name. Okay. Users.json. Where do you want to save? That is your choice. Okay. So now in this one, first starting one, you need to start with the curly flower brackets. There you can enter users. Okay. Then after that colon, then after the users colon, to second line at the end, you have to give the colon. Okay. So there you are going to give directly user. If you want to give single user, then you can use the flower bracket, but we want to use multiple users. We are going to use the array representation with the square brackets. Okay. The first one, you're going to give flower bracket again. Flower bracket, hit enter there. Delete, enter. What happened? Square bracket gone. Okay. Within the square bracket, you can,
Yes.
yeah, there, you can enter. Don't do
Yes.
any backspaces when you are doing. Okay.
Okay.
In double quotes, first name.
So
First.
here space is extra, right? Now it will take.
No worries about that. Space is not a
Okay.
problem. Go to the fourth line. Finish that.
Okay.
First name. In the double quotes, first name, Dilip. First name. First name, Dilip. Key and value.
Okay.
Dilip is the value. First name is the key. First name should be in double quotes. Dilip is in the double quotes. Space after the colon. Colon before space.
Okay. Before also. Okay.
There you can give comma. After the Dilip, just give a comma. Yeah. There. Next line. Enter. Last name. Double quotes. Last name. Then again colon. Then give the double quotes. You can write yours. That is not last name. Bungi, right?
Yes.
Okay. So same element. What you have, this is one element. This entire thing you have to enclose in one flower bracket, right? So at the beginning of fourth line, and give a flower bracket and enter. And at the fifth line ending, yeah, fourth line finish that flower bracket. Yep. So enter, hit enter there. Okay, that is also fine. Go ahead and end with the fifth line. Fifth line at the end. Fifth line at the end, flower bracket close. Yeah, enter flower bracket. That's it. Okay, so you added one element. Fourth to sixth line, whatever you see. Dilip, fourth line
Yes.
after the flower bracket, remove that. Give the enter there. Enter.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is a representation. Correct indentation is coming when you hit enter. Okay, remove one space there. Cursor is blinking there. Remove that space. Okay, just same position. Your last name should also start tab. Okay, so this flower bracket, what you have from the fourth line to seventh line, that is one element in the array. Copy that entire thing and try to create Vimlan and try to create Pavan elements, users. Vimlan.
What is the last name?
Ravindran.
You don't need to delete one by one. Double click, it will be selected. Delete, press delete. You're not deleting.
Okay, I thought that above
Double
also
click.
selecting it
No,
may be
no.
okay.
Don't select, it will highlight, shows. It
Okay.
doesn't select the above. Okay, done. Save. So when you are showing this, it is already showing some errors. In the seventh line, eighth line, there is a red color underlining, right? That indicates
Yes, yes.
every element separated with comma. This is what syntax I told. So after the seventh, you have to give a comma. Comma. Same way, 11th line. Now everything looks better. Okay, so what we did, you have created a JSON file of users, and it is having plain straightforward string elements, only strings. Okay, so let us try to access this one, the same JSON file. Save it, save this file,
Yes, yes.
saved. Okay, so now just copy this one, go to your there are two options. This entire thing can be used in a JavaScript, means in the HTML page. You know how to create a
Okay.
HTML page? Can you go to new file and select language as HTML? Mhm.
The
Select.
file name.
You can give a file name index.html. Okay. Okay. Now, actually, you are making something confusing. It is going to give the entire syntax also when you try to make the HTML. Okay, fine. We can start HTML.
Only file name I have given, right?
Yeah, fine, fine. No issues. You can write small HTML file. You know how to create HTML tags, HTML tag, HTML, HTML. Hello.
Yes.
Why slash? That is ending tag, HTML. Next line, ending tag. Okay. In between HTML and HTML ending, you can add, there is one extra greater than at the third line, last. Remove that. Okay. In the second line, you can add body tag, beginning of the body tag, ending of the body tag. Okay. So when you just type B, it is automatically gives you the syntax. You can double click when you are getting that one automatically. Okay, go into the body tag. In that one, you can give the script. Next line, slash, less than script. Yeah,
Okay.
double
Will
click.
not know.
Yeah. So in the script, you have to use
Enter.
type,
Yes.
type, type, text slash JavaScript. Type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Of course, I'm making you to do development work little bit, but it makes sense.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's fine.
little very small thing what you are doing. It will help for understanding what developers are doing. Okay, greater than, and then yeah, automatically completed. Then enter. In that you can write let, hit enter, let let users users let
Yes, sir.
space
Okay.
users equal to, yeah. In the next line you can give that tilde opposite apostrophe before one what you have, that single quotation you can give there.
In the next line.
Next line, enter. Yeah, there you can give
This one.
opposite to that one, same key, single quotation, same key, keyboard key is same.
Okay.
Same key.
Okay. Direct. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So in between that, we have to copy what you have made JSON, user JSON. Copy. Paste. And end of that same.
Quotation again, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Enter. Next line. There you can type console.log. Console.log. You can select that one. Yeah. Double click. Bracket.
This one, lower
Yeah.
bracket.
So within the round brackets, you can write users. Round brackets. Round brackets. Round
Okay.
function bracket.
Okay.
Dilip, round bracket means function.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Square bracket means arrays.
This
Flower
one, right?
bracket means objects. Users. Users. Okay. Just save this and try to open in the browser. You didn't log in it. Log in. Let it go on. Go to the next tab. Try to access. So where is that Windows Explorer? Go to that path where you have saved this HTML file. Next. Yeah, open that. Double click. Drag and drop also works into the browser. Microsoft Edge. Okay, so there is nothing to see, right? Go to the last three dots because we are not trying to access in the body any elements. We are just using the console log. So log will be returned to the Dilip. Go to the browser.
Okay. Okay.
So in the browser, you have on the last right side three dots. Click that one. Three dots. Right side three dots.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Go to the more tools. Come to the developer tools. Control Shift I. Yeah. In this one, you can see console on the top. You can see, right? Source. What you have? Select one after the other, please. You need to get the
This
console.
is element inspect page.
Toggle
Toggle
device.
page.
Next.
For activity. Welcome element. This is console.
Select. So what you have entered, that is perfect, and that's why you are able to see that. So if you remove somewhere comma and see, try to access. Go to the VS Code. Save it and try to access. Refresh. It working. Previous one.
Still it is showing.
Okay, still it is showing. It is valid. Okay. Fine then. We'll try to access one element from this one. Out of this array, we want to access. Okay, so go to the code again.
Okay.
Yeah. So where you have given the 23rd line users. So in place of that, you have to add before the users, JSON capital letters, JSON capital letters, JSON dot, select it, dot parse, select that. Then within the brackets, users, within the brackets, round brackets,
Here.
users. Okay, save that and try to access. Now you got the error. Okay, it is not able to parse what you are given. So something is expected, comma or flower brackets. So which
line
line?
10, column 5.
Yeah. So where you
Line
have
10.
removed the comma, there you have, it is showing 10th line before that one. Okay. So you have removed on 13th line. Give that 13th line comma. Okay. Save it. Now try again. Now it is working. Okay. Expand that users and you can see the users. Index is 3. So 3 users are present in this one. And if you want to get Vimlan, how do you get? Users square bracket. What number you have to give?
1.
Yeah. Try to give that. Square bracket. Index, if you are using, you have to give square brackets. It's already shown that it is array, right? Yeah. Save it. Access it. 19th line.
Unexpected.
20.
Unexpected end of JSON input.
Parse users square bracket 1. Okay. So you are able to access users. Users is in brackets. Users up to that one, round brackets, close, then square bracket. So that could work. Save it. Access, refresh. All right. Undefined. Undefined index. Okay. Users. Give a dot before that one.
Here, in between users and 1.
Users. Okay. Users is a entire element, and then you are trying to access the users. Another user. Users dot users. Maybe you can delete the 6th line, then we can remove the flower bracket at the end. Yeah, so 6th line you can remove. Just if you want to work in a independent JSON file, then you need the name. In the HTML, then you need to remove that. Okay. Yeah, close the flower bracket, also remove in the 21 line. 21 line. Flower bracket close. Remove it. Only flower bracket need to be removed. First you should continue and then yeah, try, give it a try, use, save it and try to access. Again got an error. 21 line is error. Okay, some syntax error. Which one?
Flower, expecting this one.
Okay, above also 5th line also remove that flower bracket. Only flower bracket remove. Okay, save it.
This one I have added, 20th line.
Nothing to do. Nothing to do. You added again?
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Remove. Save it.
Okay.
Right.
Now it came.
Now it came only Vimlan's record. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this way we need to access the elements, objects, arrays, whatever you are adding. Suppose, Dilip, you want to add some numeric values. Let's say experience for each one. Dilip experience, Vimlan experience, Pawan experience. Experience is another field you want to add. Can you add quickly? You don't need to type entire thing. You want to give exp also, fine. Okay, fine. Colon. Yeah, go ahead. It's a number, not double quotes. Vimlan, experience.
19.
Okay. So one record you use experience, second record also you have to follow the same. Differentiate.
Okay.
Array elements. They are all. $25. Okay, save it. Now we are able to, yeah. So anything missing? Comma
Line
missing
11
somewhere.
column 5.
So comma is
Yeah,
missing.
there is a comma missing. Yeah. After Ravindran. Yeah.
14th,
Here also.
19th. Mhm. So that is a construction of the JSON. So you understood how we can construct. So if you change the number to 2, then you'll get the Pawan's record. If you want to get the Pawan and Vimlan records, then how we can? Right?
1 comma or 1 comma 2?
Comma,
Case only, right?
either
Comma.
comma or you can give colon. So two options.
Okay. Only third came.
Only third came. Okay. Colon is not accepting. Users within the
Space.
no space is not accepting. You can put the entire thing inside then.
Inside users.
Yeah. Parsing problems. No, it's not taking. Parse is going to work with only objects, not it's not going to take the array elements. Fine, then that is you need to learn then more. Okay. No, it doesn't take with inside. So it is taking complete object, entire object. Yeah, that is working, right? Okay. So after the one, if you want to get only Vimlan's name, I want result as a only Vimlan. What do you do?
That is the first name only.
Yep.
Maybe dot first name or something.
Yeah. No, not there. That should be after the square brackets, Dilip. Square bracket is
Okay.
only for indexes.
Okay. Okay.
First, save it. Check it. Yeah.
Okay.
So you got only the element. Yeah. So hope you understood how that representation and then how to access. So JSON within the HTML we tried, and same thing we can also try with the JQ. So let's go to killer coda. Killer coda. Playground. Yeah. 1.29. Check Go to your Notepad++, this one, VS Code. Yeah. Go to the users JSON. This one is a better one, right? I think we are added the experiences
Yes.
also. Just copy that entire JSON content. You miss the square brackets. Yeah. Yeah. What happened? Long. What happened, Dilip? Your system is also becoming
No,
like.
no, this is from killer code. It is
No.
taking time.
No. Where you're running Edge browser, open in Mozilla and try to access the same then.
Chrome, right?
Chrome is there. Okay. Try in Chrome then. Okay, authenticated. Killer code. 2, 1.
I need to close here. I think.
Yeah, close it. Any other thing already open? Check that one.
No,
And any other.
this one only in this browser.
Okay. Again, you're opening? How many? Don't open too many. It doesn't work. It's going to identify IP address and doesn't work. Chatted too many scenarios. Too fast. Just it. You have only one, then it is going to work. I don't know how many you are opened.
No, only one only. But in the middle, we have tried with the same in Chrome browser. So that
Okay.
is the reason it is showing.
Okay. Refresh. Click on the areas. Click on the areas, Dilip. Click the playground. Select once again. Okay, then. It's not working. Close it. Okay, that's fine then. I'll switch to me. It's not working. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So quickly, yeah. Maybe you have some other browser running background. That's why it is. Okay, after this one you should watch. 1.29, everyone looking. Okay. Hmm. Weekend, everyone studying CKS, I think. Okay. Right. So in this one, a lot of jQuery commands are there. So JQ is a command which is available in every Linux latest versions. So just now we have seen that array and elements. This is the accessing of first element, list elements. This is a representation. Maybe dot we missed in the others. A lot of jQuery, JPaths are useful. And one, okay, it's not coming. Another thing what you can do is Udemy. Okay, killer code is dead. Yeah, let me know if you guys able to get it.
Maybe should we try with some example or something, Pawan? Maybe example, if we get into the example, it will open a separate one, right? Or it will open the same one?
Yeah, it could be maybe just try that on your system. I'm trying something differently.
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, to me, it is working, but only problem is my arrows are not working. I have to reboot and see. To
Okay,
me, I am
so
on the control plane only, but
no issues. I got a complete exam questions for this. So I don't talk, I don't answer. You try to try. Okay, so we discussed about strings, dictionaries, lists. So here we have entire YAML file for the Kubernetes. Able to see my screen?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, Pawan.
Okay. So first question, read it and try. Dilip and
Okay,
remember.
okay.
Welcome. Let's start. Slow and will become with easy viewing exercise and then move on to building JSON path queries. The given data, what is the data type of the root element?
What is the data type of the root element? Root is a
Right?
version, right?
So flower bracket you have, right? First one, are we having square bracket or flower bracket?
Flower
List,
bracket.
list will be square bracket. String will be like this,
String.
double quotes. So dictionary is the only thing we have. Correct?
Okay, okay.
How many properties or fields does the root object dictionary have?
These are all properties which I told, right? In the flower bracket, whatever you add, the object contains multiple properties. So how many you have?
4 API version, kind, metadata, and spec.
Correct. So within the flower bracket, how many you have? That is
Okay,
what you
first
need.
line.
How many, Dilip? Three?
4. First 3 and spec. Fourth one.
What is the data type of API
It
version field? It
even
is
it is string, right? Within the double quotes.
API version. So that
Custom
is
field,
this one. So you identified correctly. Good. Okay.
is the
Next.
data type of the metadata field.
Mm-hmm. What is this one? Metadata. Then again,
Yes.
bracket is open.
So is that
Dictionary
list?
again.
Do you see square bracket? Array and list are same.
Oh, okay. It's not array or list. Okay, then probably the
Okay,
other option is
dictionary.
dictionary.
Let us see. What is list is also okay, but I don't know. This container is having the square bracket that could be there. Okay, I'll try. Dictionary is the correct one. Okay.
So the below is the best description of the type of data in containers field.
So this can we name as array within the square bracket?
Square brackets, it is
How many elements and within the list what you are having? List of strings, list of dictionaries.
List of dictionaries.
Yeah, again we have flower bracket, right? So it could be list of dictionaries.
Okay.
Will it following, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Now you need to work that JSON path exactly.
Develop a JSON path query to extract the kind of the object. So we have to extract the kind of the object. Okay.
Okay.
So your answer is
Required
JSON
answer is like this.
output. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to uh, so we have to only put the what needs to extract that string pod.
Yeah.
Maybe dot kind, just dot.
So if I'm giving dollar and dot, it is giving entire objects. Out of this one, you can select one particular element. So here, if you see there is a syntax. Oh, yeah. So, oh, this is AWS. This is syntax. We have here, right? Store dot like this. We can access the elements, and one particular element, if you are trying to access, not sure where went. Okay. So two options are there. You can use expression property we have to use. Select this property so that we can get the exactly what is expected. So within the square bracket, this is the element.
Kind.
So kind,
Kind.
got it. Exactly same output. Okay. So hope you are
Okay.
following.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So when the answer is correct, it immediately goes as correct. So now you tell me how to do next.
Develop a JSON path query to get the name
Uh,
of the pod. So name of the pod is
same name.
Same.
Instead of kind, name.
Instead of kind,
no, probably that is not a root, right? So it should be dot spec dot container dot name
Oh, the
spec
meta. Okay.
spec
mhm.
again dot containers.
Hmm, it is under metadata, right?
No, name of the pod they are asking, right? Yeah, okay. Sorry, it's
Under
I'm
metadata.
looking at the name of the container. Sorry, okay. So dot metadata, then dot name. Okay, sorry.
What is expected? Name of the pod. Name of the pod. Okay. So this one
Yeah,
you
I was just
have to learn.
I took that as container. Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Dot metadata dot name.
Name.
Not coming. What to do?
Containers you have given. It should be named, right?
It should be name.
Field name.
Name, okay. Is it something wrong, Pawan, still?
Is it double quotes or single quotes?
I don't know. You tell me how to use. You
But
have the syntax, you have the logics.
give only first single quote up to metadata. If it is fine, next will quote up to name.
Okay. First we'll try to get this one and then is it working or not? Yeah, it is working.
Then dot uh, single quote name.
Correct. Okay. So that's another one, right? Mm-hmm. Now another question now.
JSON path query to get the node name under the specs section.
What should I do?
See first single quote spec, then container,
Single code specs.
then name.
You said single code
Dot square braces,
dot square braces.
single quote
Okay.
spec,
Okay.
It should be spec dot node name.
up to spec also it is not coming.
So first thing is dollar.
Okay,
To represent entire
then
document, we have to use a dollar.
then
Okay.
dot container, dot single quote containers.
Why containers? What do you want?
Node name.
It is as
So node name is under spec,
okay,
right? Not
node
under
name.
containers.
Okay. A single quote node name.
Single quote. Node name.
N
N
cap.
caps.
Correct answer. Okay.
To get the details of the container. Specs then container. Single quotes. Dollar.
Single quote.
Dollar.
Dollar.
No,
Dollar
dollar dot.
Okay.
dot square braces.
Square brackets.
Single quote.
Mm,
Spec.
Spec.
Remove square braces then.
Mm-hmm.
Dot containers. Single quote containers.
but I believe they asked for the entire complete details of the container, right? Maybe do we need to give containers of star wildcard?
No, both it will come, right?
Containers of maybe array.
Spelling is wrong. CONTIATAI. Okay. One extra square brace is coming.
Mm.
Maybe again we have to go for the containers of star. Maybe I'm just wondering whether it is of star.
Star.
But it should be within that single quote itself. Containers of star.
Only one element, and that's a 0 8. So index, if you give 0, it works.
Okay.
Matches.
0 means from where it is starting? What it gets?
9th line to 14th line is one array element. Do you see?
Okay. First array, okay.
Index element. All right.
Get image name and container section.
What should I do?
$.
Okay.
Single quote. They are asking only for the container section.
So dot spec dot containers dot image. Containers then dot image.
Dot image with 0 array. Image.
We are spec, okay, containers, okay. Image name they're asking, okay. Linux program, okay.
Image name, this one.
That is image. Yeah, dot image is the image name, right?
So right now we are in array, and another array is there. So this is how many elements array? First element only. That is 0 index, and then image.
So of 0 dot image
Of 0
dot image.
Dot again flower places. Okay.
Got it, right? So
Yeah.
we are done only 10. Another 4 to go.
We now have a pod status too. Okay, develop a JSONPath query to get the face of the pod under the status section. Okay, so they want to get the status of the pod under the status section. Face of the pod.
So here is the status, right?
Status, yeah.
So under the status, what do you want to get? Phase
Of the pod.
Phase of the pod. Where it is it is in pending state.
Little low, down. Down. There it is. Third line, bottom 3.
61. Okay, here it is.
61.
Yes, yeah.
So he's asking about to get this line, 61 line. Entire JSON is here, and you need to get the 61 line value. Only value you need to get. How?
Okay, that is from the state under that comes under status, right?
I don't know. You have to tell.
That
Dot.
little up, is it under state or?
Okay.
Yeah.
It is under status. He said already status, right? Status section. So we'll try to get status.
Status.
So here you are getting the piece of that. So status under that one, is it another element or it is?
Yes.
How we can see. So in the conditions, array is ended here. Okay, it's not in this one. And container status, where it is closed. Container status also not part of this one. Then
I think it comes separately under status directly or
phase.
no, it is, yeah.
Dot space in the
So should I give here dot? Let us try.
Yeah.
That's correct. So phase is giving pending, the element is required, and that is the correct answer. Okay. So another one.
develop the JSON query to get the reason for the state of the container under the status section.
Hmm.
Yeah, again, now reason for the state of the container. Reason is container creating, but under status,
So what we need to get? Reason. This
Okay,
one. And it is in the two containers, it is there. But
status state waiting reason.
okay. So let us see how Dilip is interpreting this one. Okay. Dilip, how do I start
Uh,
to get the entire
the
document? Is a dollar dot
dollar dot uh, just little up it is status, right?
status.
Status single quote status.
Status. Okay. Now you got only status.
Below that it is
There are two
state, I think
things.
so. Little.
Conditions, statuses.
Okay. It comes under container status.
Container status. Okay. So dot.
Dot single quote
Okay.
container status.
Now you got only two elements and you want
Uh,
only reason.
yes.
So
Then
state of the container
state,
under status section. Scroll down if you can't see.
then state.
Then state after this.
After
no, that comes under array again, right? So of zero.
it comes under
Yeah, container status, there are
honest.
two elements, array elements. Square bracket is started. Are you following, Dilip?
Yes. It is zero.
Hmm.
uh, Zero dot.
Okay.
After that, after this dot, uh, dot comma you have written here. Dot
Hmm.
state.
State.
Say
Okay.
single quote state.
Okay, got state.
Uh, then dot
Then dot.
waiting. Single quote waiting. Then dot reason.
Correct. So now you got how to solve JSON paths. This will be used in AWS CLI, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, Docker, anywhere. So this will be helpful when you go for automation, simple representation. So if you know how to get one particular element, okay. All right. The same thing will be useful when you're working with the monitoring, observability, Prometheus, and Elasticsearch, Kibana. If you are using, there also the same JSON querying is required. So if you understand JSON path, that will be helpful for jQuerying, and jQuerying will be common for all. Another two
Oh,
questions, I think. Okay. Yep.
develop a JSON path query to get the restart count of the Redis container under the status section. Okay, they want to get the restart count from under the status section of the Redis container. So we are there on, yeah, we can see Redis container. Okay, so they want to only get the restart count, which is 2.
Okay.
So the
So
2 is, yeah.
this line,
So
52 line, need to get.
yeah,
So how to
yeah,
get?
only
When
thing.
you read the
So
question, it is panic, but
yeah,
slowly
yeah.
we
Only thing
take
is
step by step,
we
you'll
will,
understand.
yeah, we will start with dollar dot square bracket and then single quote. So only thing is, it comes under the status only, I believe still.
Okay.
So status, okay. So it does not fall under conditions. It is under container statuses, I believe. Right? Container statuses. Okay. So we'll go with container statuses. Dot.
Dot.
Yeah, dot container single quote container statuses.
Mhm.
Okay, now it comes under the array. So
Array.
this comes under array 1 0, that is second array 0 of 1.
Okay.
1 dot, okay, 1 dot, and they want to get the restart count, which is directly under container status. So dot restart 1 of dot, oh yeah, single quote.
Dot. Okay. So in the single quotes, what we need to give?
Yeah, restart count.
Restart count. Perfect. So that's how we can get the each element from the JSON. Okay. Another interesting question for you guys.
Okay, the order of the container could be different. The Redis container need not be the second container all the time. So redevelop the JSON path query to get the restart count of the again Redis container, but this time use a criteria or condition to get the restart count of the container with the container name Redis container. So here, what they are trying, my understanding is that it can be any order of the container. Redis container can be on any order. So it need not want to be the. So first we have to match the Redis container, and from there we have to get the restart count of it. Is that the correct understanding, Ron?
Yeah. So in the syntaxes, first set we are already done. So now this is going to be work. So filter. You need to check whether it is matching to that particular Redis.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So object array that matches the specified filter. So, and what is the expression? What is the condition? How you are going to give? That is your choice. Okay. So to you, and I'm not going to talk. You try how you are going to try solution.
Little
Hint is
weird, but
given. Yeah. Okay. Try.
it will start with the same dollar dot.
Dilip, you're not
Why is
telling
it?
anything. Abhiteja, hello. Abhiteja is joined. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
He's also old student and he want to explore things. All right.
Under status.
Correct. Next. It's over.
No. You have to write
We
this
have
Yeah,
to.
why is it?
Next.
Yeah, why is it saying correct? We didn't start.
Answer. But we want the answer. What is here expected answer? That should come here. We'll try. Dilip, tell me what should I try?
Single quote status.
Status. Then that
Then it comes under
Container statuses.
container statuses only. Since yes,
container state. No. This is
the container status.
container status. Okay. Hmm. Container
Like,
statuses. Then
then we just little scroll this output part.
So now we have to apply the filter here, right? We do not know which index it is.
Okay.
So we have
Instead
to
of
match
index,
for. So they want it from the Redis container. So probably we can match the name of the container, which is matching to
question,
Redis container.
yes, question mark, name matches Redis container.
where should I give that?
After the braces.
After braces. Here I have to give
Yes, open
at the rate,
question mark,
question mark.
question at the rate. It is there or only question mark?
I don't know. You have to tell.
Question mark only.
Question mark only. Okay. Next, what is
Question
the
mark.
expression?
Uh,
What you need to match?
Name single quote name colon Redis container.
Name
It column
colon equal to unexpected.
could be double. I think so. We are matching the string.
Okay.
No,
Then
not double equal to for the name instead of single brace.
it's not working. Container name Redis container.
Name is equal to Redis container.
No
Oh,
match.
container status inside.
Try this document, understand it clearly, and try to get that examples. How to filter. Filter is most important, and see the examples. There is a question mark. Okay. So here is
Question
given that.
mark. Okay. At the rate dot other. Here it is at the rate dot
What should
name.
we give?
At the rate dot name equal to
Okay. At the rate dot name equal to Redis container
yes, remove the single quote for name.
for name. Okay. We got something. Yeah. It is matched. Then, Dilip, what is the next?
Uh,
We need only two.
then
Restart count. We need to
dot
get
at the end dot
at
restart
the
count.
end dot. I
Dot
think
single quote restart count.
finish. You are finished. Okay, great. So congratulations, guys. You understood how to work, deal with the JSON path, jQuery, and there are a lot of hints available on the this documentation. Smart beer, and this one is a command line tool, jQuery. So jQuery in Linux we can use anytime, and you have a JSON file output, and you can try with the pipe and then jq command. So you can get it. You can do all applies whatever just now we have seen, that same syntaxes we can try in the JQ also. So if you able to get a terminal, you can create a simple nginx part. Try to output that get command. kubectl get part. It's going to give the output, but just give -o JSON. That output gives you all this what you are seeing in this question, right? So if you see, there is a interesting. Let us see. Two. It's okay. I think it is not working with this keys indexes. Hmm. Okay, so there is another one, interesting one. You can try this one yourself, and I'll make you one of you as a host. I have a guest at home. Vimlan, hope you can guide. I'll make Abhiteja as a host. Hello, Abhiteja, can I make you host? Hello, are you with laptop, Abhiteja?
Yeah, I'm in my laptop.
Okay. Yeah, so you are the host. You can share your screen. I just pinged in the chat. Open that. It is going to give you understanding about JSON objects, how we can construct, how we can extract. Yeah. So Dilip and Vimlan is going to help you to understand how JSON is going to work. Share your screen, please.
Yeah.
Did you able to open this link, what I shared?
Host is disabled screen sharing, it seems. One second.
Have selected Abhitej as host. No, Vimlan I have shared. Okay. Vimlan, can you make Abhitej as a host?
Yeah, yeah, Paul, I'm doing it.
I'm coming in a short while. Thank you.
Chat, where is the chat? Chat, okay. Participants, okay. Make host. Yeah, Abhitej, I just have made you as a host.
Yeah, okay, 1 second.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Is my screen available now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we'll start with one, maybe.
Okay, so I am not sure about the JSON script, how to write and everything. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
really
sure.
want
Not
us
no,
to,
no.
yeah.
Yeah, no, no problem. We have been just learning before this class. That's all. Nothing
Okay,
big.
okay. So I
So,
joined late, that's why.
okay, sure. We can learn together. Not a problem. So develop a JSON path query to extract the expected output from the source data. So they want to get the value one out, which means which is assigned to property one. So maybe you can start with dollar. You can just type dollar dot. Yeah, dollar dot. This directly this is under the root. It is not under anything. So directly you can go for property one. So within square bracket.
Acha.
Within square. Yeah, square bracket, single quotes. Yeah, it should be within single quotes. Yeah, property one. Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
So now develop a JSON path query to extract the bus details from the source data. So they want to extract the bus details from the source data. So they want a color and price together because they didn't give any specific information to be extracted from bus. They want the complete details of the data that is present under bus. So you can start with dollar dot. Yeah, again single quotes. So now you can go for bus within single quotes. Okay. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now they want the specific information from the bus, that is price of the just the price alone from which comes under bus. So we can
Bus.
go with, yeah, you can type the same dollar dot, then single square bracket, then single quotes. So now we initially will go with bus. So now they want the information, specific information is price. Again, you can go for dot after single quotes. After single quotes, you can go for dot and then open the single quote again. Price. Yeah, now we got
Okay,
it.
okay, okay, okay.
So just we are just going one after the other by inheriting the order hierarchy. So it comes under bus, then the price. Yeah, if it is under something else, then again we'll go with the price dot something
Dot.
like that.
Okay.
So now again they want the same, but from the price of the car instead of bus. So
Car.
you can yeah, you can do the same again.
Oh, wow.
Dollar.
Vehicles is the first one.
First one, yeah. Vehicles,
Then dot
bus price, car price. Okay.
car price. Single
Should be
quote.
within the quotes.
Price. Correct.
Yeah.
Acha, okay.
Now it is wheels of the car.
Okay. Wheels.
Okay, you can
Dollar
initially you can go with the hierarchy dollar dot
dot
square bracket single quote. So the wheels comes under car. So
Car.
direct car. So first
That,
we have to go with car.
directly it came. Why?
Yeah, yeah. So it is something wrong. Yeah,
acha. Oh. Let
car
me
wheels.
yeah. Car.
Then it comes under wheels, right?
Yeah.
They want wheels of the car. So you can go with the dot wheels. So the wheels of the car, the entire thing, they didn't give any specific, right? So already the information is obtained.
Okay.
So we are good. Okay, now the thing is specific information, third wheel of the car. Initially, they want to get the complete information. Now they want only the third wheel of the car.
Car. Okay.
So now you can just go with the same again. So you can frame the same. Car, so now wheels. So now it is displaying complete details. Now what we need is only the third information. So probably you can scroll down there to see how many informations we have. Model 1, then 2, uh, 3, 4. Totally we have 4, but they are asking for third information. Third information could be the final one, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can say maybe of 3. Or this is where I'm a bit confused. Actually, third information could be of 2
Two,
or 0,
two,
1, 2, right?
0, 1, 2.
Yeah, so it should be of again. You can go and type.
Okay.
Third array.
Zero.
See, this is under array. Okay, wheels,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, all the informations what you have under wheels, right? You have
Yeah.
four
Four wheels.
informations. Yeah, so all this is under array. So the array
Array.
starts
Okay.
with a zero, array of one, array of two, array of three. This is what the information
Okay.
we have
Okay.
here. Front right,
Okay.
front left, rear right, rear left. So now they are asking for the third one exactly, which means array of two, because array
Two.
starts with a zero, right?
Zero. Yeah.
So
Object starts with curly braces, array starts with square braces. That
Okay.
is the identification. Wheels, after wheels, square braces is there, so it is an array.
Array. Okay. Okay. These are the objects.
it has four objects. Now they are asking us to extract the third object.
Third object. Okay.
Yeah, after square bracket, close square bracket, you have to reopen again another square bracket. That is for array, specifying array. So of three. I
Of
sorry,
two.
of two. Sorry.
So just two.
Yeah, just
Number.
a numerical. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Zero. Two. Okay.
So now developer extract the model of the third wheel of the car. Again, they want third, but they want to extract only the model alone. They don't want the both model and location. So you can just retype the same what we have the last one. Then we will try to extract the model part alone. Yeah, dot wheels single quote within single quotes. Wheels, okay. Then now what they're asking is under wheels they want the third model, third
Model of
one,
the
right?
third wheel.
So two,
Okay.
two. So it should be array of two dot.
Model.
Yeah, just go for the model. It won't match, I believe. Right? Okay, match. Okay.
Okay. Acha, okay, okay.
Retrieve all the payslip details of the employees. All the payslip details of the employees. Just scroll down. All the pay. So they just want all. So it's simple one only, right? They want all. So they are not looking for any specific. So
Just
just they want
dollar
to,
paste
yeah,
only.
yeah. Just we want to print the payslips alone. Payslips.
No, employee under
No, employees object is closed, right? It is not under employees,
yes,
right?
yes, 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 yes.
Second object is a payslip is a second object.
No,
So
it didn't close. Under employees, address is there. Address is closed above payslip. Payslip comes under
oh,
employee only.
okay,
Why
okay.
the output is coming directly, but
Yeah,
under
maybe.
employee payslip comes.
Yeah. I didn't see where it is open. I
Okay,
thought, okay,
okay, okay. So
it should be employee dot payslips. Yeah, employee then dot payslips. No need to be on the square bracket. Just a single quote. Yeah.
okay. Third month's pay details of the employee. Third month.
Yeah, third month pay details they are looking for, which means just see how many informations you have. Third month is 0, 1, 2. Only we have 3. They are asking for the third month. So it should be array of 2. They are looking for the
Okay,
information what is present in the array of 2. Pay slips. So now you can come out, yeah. So you can go with the third
two.
month, right? 2. Yeah, 2.
Yeah,
What exactly they're asking for? Pay details. That's
third
it.
month's
Third
pay
month
details.
pay
Yeah.
details. That's all. So we have got it.
Okay.
Now they are asking for pay amount of the third month's pay slip, right? They are just looking for the amount. Maybe you can look at the string, what is present there. They want amount to be
Okay.
extracted from the third.
Same. After that, after the braces, here
Amount.
it won't come. After the braces, after the square braces, dot amount. Try here. It won't come. I think so. No, it won't come. Oh, it came. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you can just try the other one also what he said. Maybe you close, yeah, remove that dot also remove. Then come out of the square bracket dot single quote amount. So which
Okay.
means both ways it is correct. Either within the square bracket also and outside the square bracket also.
Outside also. Yeah.
It has to be only array dot. That's it.
Okay. Array dot.
So give it this a shot. Try to find Malala in the below list of Nobel Prize winners. So maybe you can just scroll down and see where what is the actual data which is present. So Malala. So we have here they
Wages
want to.
year. Uh, where is that name?
Malala.
Under 914 ID.
Yeah, maybe a little down.
Yeah,
ID.
here it is. It went up 1 second.
So it's
914.
it's a big data. So we need to find where this one is present. Maybe we'll scroll little up. So this is under law reads.
No, we can directly query, I think so, Vimlan. How we can know it is in under 2014?
Yeah, that is
Can try
correct.
direct
Yeah, maybe we can give a try for
under
this.
top first category.
So we do not know under which year it is present, right?
Yes,
We can
under prices we can try querying.
Okay. So from prices we need to search. Like,
yeah,
Right.
correct. So we can give a try. Yeah, this is a good question, but dot prices. Sorry, within square bracket, single quotes, prices. So now we want to find Malala. So Malala is, but at least we should know what is that, right? Or a name or something. It's we need
yeah.
that string, right?
It is first name.
First name is the Malala, right?
Yes.
So we will go for. But
Next
this is
after
under
that,
no, this is under array, right? So we have to go outside the array and we have to query in the array or.
outside the square braces, just try question mark dot at the rate after square
You can
brace.
remove the dot. Yeah, dot you can remove. Yeah. Here
Question
again,
mark
question mark.
Question mark.
dot at the rate dot or dot at the rate.
I believe this one should be under square bracket only, right? And again, question mark.
Yes, yes, yes.
Expression should be in square brackets.
Question mark dot at the rate.
And the first name,
First
right?
name.
Within first name
Single
matching.
quote not required at things of our first name. After that, double equal to single
Malala.
quote.
I believe
Remove the
M is
single quote for
caps.
first name. Okay, if it doesn't come, so we can talk. You just have it, right? If it doesn't come, we can. Okay, just remove single quote for first name.
Should be, let me check the it should
Question
be
mark
double
at the
quotes.
rate dot or before question mark at the rate dot.
Yeah, I'm just.
Then add one more field after phrases dot year is equal to 201. Not here, not here. After phrases. After phrases first. Dot single quotes here. Call the here also it should match.
No, it's I believe it's at dot, not okay. Given okay.
Just to confirm whether our expression is correct or not, we can give the array name after phrases. What is the array count? It is 2018 is first array. Below that, 2018 first array.
I believe this.
Okay, everything comes on 2018 only.
Oh yeah.
No, maybe this one, right? What is that
All
one?
arrays are under 2018.
Maybe that we do not know, right? That we need not want to look at, right? Because that is not their
Yes, yes,
condition,
yes,
correct?
yes.
So maybe
For
our expression is something wrong, I believe.
for
Just go
Malala,
to.
it's 2014.
No, maybe our search condition, I believe, the expression, if you go back, just go on the top to the top again to our expression. Okay, this should be under within the parentheses. I mean, this square, round square, round bracket, our expression. Question mark off, right? Question mark, after question mark, just try the open parentheses and yeah, the close parentheses should be after Malala expression. Just try. Why it didn't work? Maybe what it shows? Nothing. Okay. First name should. Okay. Dot. Okay. Try to find Malala and the below most of Nobel Prize winners. Okay. So we are just missing something definitely. Yeah.
So if we only keep prices here and then
Prices is an
ID,
array, right? How many prices you have? Just see how many prices, count, and then index you can use array. After that, you can go into deeper. That's a good idea.
so how many prices?
So
With the same year, multiple arrays are there, it seems.
Dilip, first go to the this um, Abhitaja source data.
Yeah.
You can just copy that. Yeah, remove that entire thing. Just go up to the prices. Remove the year that is not working. Yeah. So here the prices, right? So when you try, what is the first one you are getting in the output? It's array, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So array of arrays. In that one, if you are getting confused, just copy this source data and put into Notepad++. Easy to interpret. Are you able to select it? Yeah, Control
Yeah.
C. VS Code or Notepad++, anything. Paste it. Okay. So now you can easily understand where it is starting, where it is ending. So these are all elements in array. In the prices, there is a square bracket started. So in the square bracket, there is one element start with the flower bracket, end at 30th line. First element.
Yeah.
Second element. Like that, you can go up to Malala, where Malala is present. Count that each
Okay.
object and which object is having the Malala.
This is third
914,
one.
right?
Yeah.
This is also not.
This is fourth, fifth.
If here
This is
we
the
see
sixth.
element.
Sixth one.
So try to give index there. Try to give that number in the prices.
Five, five,
Prices after that
Five.
square bracket. No, after.
five.
Okay. Did you got correct one in the go top
Yeah.
and see? You got
Yes.
Malala
Malala.
block. You got it. So from there you can get this below box, right? So there are
ID.
properties. So from which property you have to get Malala? Lyricates. In the lyricates, again, it's array, right?
So dot
This is
lyrics.
a
Lyricates, yeah. After the square bracket, you can give dot lyricates. You copy that from the left side, you can get it. Don't give, yeah, copy, paste it. Now you got exactly two values.
Out of this one, second one is having the Malala, right?
Yeah, ID should be take.
So dot, how do you get there? How do you
Plus string.
reach? Two elements are there in the array.
Yeah.
So
So ID
square
value
bracket
and float.
1, lurate square bracket 1 gives you, right? 1.
Maybe dot is missing.
It should be, no.
So incorrect.
It is timed out and automatically giving correct. Okay. So did you got
Yeah, try to find Malala in the below list.
Without hierarchy also, if the label is matching, it is showing as correct.
okay. So just try to remove these square brackets in the beginning. Just copy this query, put into a notepad. Let us don't give any square brackets for prices and due rates. Yeah, remove the square bracket here also. Okay, and then single quotes also remove. Okay, here also lieu rates also you can remove single quotes. Right. Okay, so is it giving the same as expected? Yes, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Prices, lieu rates, square bracket of 1. That's it. So that's how, okay, correct. This matches. If you want to find only Malala, then how do you get? Just
First
give
name.
dot first name. Yeah, give it a try. It is going to give result. It doesn't harm you. Okay, that's great.
First name.
Yeah. So what is expected? You just keep it and go ahead for the next. Remove the first name. Okay. Another 2 questions. Yeah. So you have car, bus, truck, bike. These are the list items. Out of list, you want to get first element.
First element.
So
So
how do you get
Dot 0. Braces 0, I think.
square?
open square brackets 0.
So simple.
Okay.
Okay, list operation. Simple. Now you
First
want 2 elements.
element in the list.
So the first and the fourth element.
Then
0 and
dollar
3.
dot
0, comma,
does it
3.
come comma? Okay.
First to fourth car, bike. Yeah.
You can try that with the colon 3 also. Can you try?
Colon.
Colon 3.
0, column 3.
No single quotes. Just index values. You can try with the colon. Yeah, there you can give colon 3. Means from the beginning till the 3.
Okay.
Okay, 2, I think. Got it. So index value up to. So up to, if you want to give, then colon and give the index value. Reverse also works. So from this particular index value till the end, then 2 colon. So from the 2, whatever below that we are going to get. So this logic will work from same Python arrays, Python list, same structure. Go ahead, next. Finished. Great. So this Munshad Mammoth quiz, just remove index.html there in the URL top. And delete, enter. He's giving directly. Okay. So let me try to give one more URL for you that will gives you a certification. And Munshad Muhammad. Okay. It is gone somewhere. Yeah, if you don't have index, it is going to give okay, this one.